Anyone who's been online has probably come across harmful content. Our message is always to report that to the platform. But first, it's important to figure out if the content is illegal or harmful, as the reporting process is different for each. Illegal content is any media content which is against the law here in Ireland. Examples might include threatening to share or sharing an intimate image of someone else, content encouraging terrorist behaviour, or repeated threatening messages to an individual. When reporting illegal content to the platform, you'll need to provide some additional information. For example, your email address so they can get back to you, the links of the content you think is illegal, and some information about the laws you think the content breaks. If the platform assesses the content as illegal in Ireland, they may remove it in Ireland and let you know. Under the Online Safety Framework, you have the right to appeal their decision. Harmful content can be tricky to define. While it may not break the law, it is still harmful, and it may go against a social media platform's rules or terms and conditions. The Online Safety Code defines certain harmful content and obliges platforms to restrict this content in their terms and conditions. Platforms apply and enforce these rules, which differ from platform to platform. Potential examples of harmful content include excessively violent content, nudity and sexual content, content depicting self-harm. If you report this type of harmful content, you may not get reasons why a platform has or hasn't removed the content. However, if the platform agrees with your opinion that the content goes against their rules or terms and conditions, they may remove or restrict it. Again, you should be able to appeal their decision if you're not happy with it. Look out for our handy how to report guides on our website. Our job is to make sure platforms are following the rules under the Online Safety Framework. Reporting to platforms should be easy to find and easy to use. If it isn't, we'd like to hear from you.